This is given in the question. We shift this sin square x y1 on the right hand side. Then we separate variable. Then we integrate both sides. Write sin square x by using this formula. Here we integrate cos 2x by using this formula. This is given in the question. Therefore, we put 5 in place of y1 and 1 in place of x. Then we get value of c is equal to this. Put this value of c here. We get this. Shift this log 5 on the left hand side and apply this formula to write this. Here it is understood that base of logarithm is e. Now by applying this formula, we can write y1 by 5 is equal to base to the power this. Shifting this 5 on the right hand side, we get y1 is equal to this. This is given in the question. This is also given in the question. Shift this cos square x y2 on the right hand side. Separate variable here. Integrate both sides. Write cos square x by using this formula. Integrate cos 2x by using this formula. Since this is given in the question, therefore we put 1 by 3 in place of y1 and 1 in place of x. Then we get value of c is equal to this. When we put this value of c here, then we get log y2 is equal to this. Shift log 1 by 3 on the left hand side. And after applying this formula, we can write this LHS as this. Here it is understood that base of this logarithm is e. Now by applying this formula, we can write 3y2 is equal to e to the power this. Shifting this 3 on the right hand side, we get y2 is equal to this. This is given in the question. This is also given in the question. We shift this on the right hand side. Separate variable. Write 2 minus x cube by x cube like this. Integrate both sides. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. And here will be minus 1 by x square minus x plus c. Since this is given in the question, therefore we put 3 by 5e in place of this y3 and 1 in place of x. Then we get value of c is equal to this. When we put this value of c here, then we get this. Shifting log 3 by 5e on the left hand side, we get this. Applying formula log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. After applying this formula, we write log y3 minus log 3 by 5e as log 5e by 3 y3 is equal to this. Here it is understood that base of logarithm is e. Now by applying this formula, we can write 5e by 3 y3 is equal to base to the power this. Shifting 5e by 3 on the right hand side, 3 by 5 here and e here. Subtracting this power 1 from this power, we get e to the power this. Thus we get y3 is equal to this. y1 times y2 times y3 is equal to this times this times this. 5 times 1 by 3 times 3 by 5. 5 times 3 times 3 by 5. 5 times 1 by 3. 5 times 1 by 3 times 3 by 5. 3 will be cancelled out. 5 will be cancelled out. That means this times this times this 1. E to the power this times e to the power this times e to the power this. Power will be added up. X by 2 plus x by 2 x and minus x will be cancelled out. This cancelled out. Minus sin 2x by 4 plus sin 2x by 4 will be cancelled out. Plus sin 2 by 4 minus sin 2 by 4 will be cancelled out. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 and this plus 1 will be cancelled out. Then there will be left only this minus 1 by x square. Therefore y1, y2, y3 will be equal to e to the power minus 1 by x square. In this question, we are asked to find this limit. We suppose this limit as L. Since y1, y2, y3 is equal to e to the power minus 1 by x square, when we write this here, then L is equal to limit of e to the power minus 1 by x square plus 2x by e to the power 3x sin x. Now we have to find this limit. This implies L is equal to limit of x tends to 0 plus e to the power minus 1 by x square plus 2x by e to the power 3x. We look towards this formula and in place of e to the power 3x, we write e to the power 3x minus 1 plus 1. Now we write sin x. Now again we look towards this formula. Here is fx, here is fx, here is 3x. Therefore we divide this by 3x. Now we look towards this formula. Here is theta, the angle that is here. Here is x, therefore we divide this by x. 3x times x, 3x square. We multiply this by 3x square. This implies L is equal to limit of x tends to 0 plus e to the power minus 1 by x square plus 2x by e to the power 3x minus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3x sin x by x times 3x square. Applying this formula, this will tend to 1. Therefore, in the next step, we will write 1 in place of this. After applying this formula, sin x by x will tend to 1. Therefore, we will write 1 here in the next step. Multiplying by this 3x square, this 1 and this 1 by 3x, we get this. E to the power minus 1 by x square can be written like this. When x tends to 0, when x tends to 0, then e to the power 1 by x square tends to infinity. Therefore, here is 0 times infinity indeterminate form. Now we find limit of this here. We can write this like this: 1 by x by e to the power 1 by x square. Now this is in infinity by infinity indeterminate form. Numerate when x tends to 0, 1 by x tends to infinity. Infinity by infinity indeterminate form. Therefore, we can apply L'Hospital's rule to find this limit. We differentiate numerator. Numerator means 1 by x right here. Now we differentiate denominator. Denominator means e to the power 1 by x square. First, with respect to 1 by x square and write here. Now, differentiate 1 by x square with respect to x and write here. This becomes this. X cube by x square will be x. Now, indeterminate form has been removed. This is now in the form of 0 by infinity. 0 by infinity. This is not in indeterminate form. Result will be 0. That means limit of this part will be 0. Therefore, L will be equal to 0 plus 2 by, when x tends to 0, 3x tends to 0 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now solution is complete.